Edusoft Robotics. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to Edusoft Robotics. In this tutorial, we are going to create an automatic toll gate system using Magic Board. For this experiment, we will require a Magic Board with Type-C USB cable, an ultrasonic sensor, a servo motor, and some jumper wires. So, let's start building. Step 1. Take your ultrasonic sensor and connect its pins using the jumper wires. Step 2. Set up the ultrasonic sensor by connecting the other ends of the wires to the pins located on the Magic Board. Connect VCC pin to 5 volt, GND pin to ground, Echo pin to signal pin IO3, Trig pin to signal pin IO4. Step 3. Take your servo motor and connect its pins using the jumper wires. Step 4. Set up the servo motor by connecting the other ends of the wires to the pins located on the Magic Board. Connect red wire to 5 volt, brown wire to ground, and yellow to signal pin IO12. Step 5. Use the Type-C USB cable to connect the Magic Board to the computer to upload the program. This is the program code we are going to upload in the Magic Board. This program will allow our Magic Board to sense the object approaching the ultrasonic sensor and starts the servo motor. This way the model will look like toll gate system. You can download the program code from the website shown here or from the description. Once the code is ready, upload the code to the Magic Board to see the real magic.